Hey guys, your Hannes on tour. We are here at Libertad Mangrove. First time of my clients kasi one day lang siya. So after our short driving and walking going to the main part of that mangrove, it was so very hot. So nais siya mag-swimming. So I let her to swim. After mangrove, we proceed sa part 2, going sa mainit waterfalls located at Barangay Pato, Ojongan, Romblon. First time niya mag-try ng ganyan. Sa amin, ang tawag ay bagging. Making sure that the bottom is free and no one in there para maiwasan ang disgrace. So, ready in a position to jump. But that time, I think she felt nervous.
Kaya?
Baka may maluksuhan.
1, 2, 3,
so,
go!
ayan, nakailang take kami dito. And, eto na po, yung pinaka-finale. There we go. Malalim kaya yan, guys. Malamig ang tubig. Pero tinawag na mainit. And, maganda ang tubig. Mula galing po yan sa taas. So, ayan na, ready,
1,
set,
2, 3,
prepare yourself for jumping. Galing lang pa siya that time. Heto na, jump, yay! Actually, that time na pumunta kami dyan, marami pang mga naliligo. Hindi lang po sa bagging, kundi may mga tumbling or whatever they called it as bagpipes. Also,
baka
even young,
younger
among the youngest, cherish. So, ayan, makikita nyo naman, marami nagbubuksuhan, making sure that the bottom is free to avoid disgrace. A lot of people, maraming mga nagapiktik din po doon, mga magkakaibigan, magkaklase. So, actually, wala po yung entrance. Nakakapagod nga lang kasi after nyo mag-drive, mag-hike kayo, aakyat kayo ng konting bundok lang na maraming mga puno. Proceed po kami sa part 3, having coffee sa Sibs na matatagpuan sa Barangay Dapawan kasi pauwi na po siya ng Batangas. At yan po yung